Hi, I'm Marna, and I don't even know where to begin. We had such a big adventure yesterday, Friday. We did a little doll collecting. My collection has grown. I'm loving it. It seems to have gone the Barbie route. I'm okay with that. But you know, when you get these Barbies, you want the next Barbie and another Barbie and another Barbie, and Darren's okay with that. So here we are. I don't know where to start. I guess here we had gone to a garage sale and I got this little jewelry box for 50 cents. But they also had this little dress and these clothes, which they're not real exciting, but I buy these, as you can see, she did not come from this garage sale. But I buy these little Barbies that need help at garage sales, and they don't have clothes or shoes. So it's something, and that's kind of cute. And that'll fit the heavier Barbies. That won't fit the hourglass shaped Barbie. But that was fun, and it was 50 cents, and just fun. I'm gonna leave her sit here. Actually, I guess I could talk about this next. We were going somewhere else and we saw these signs that this church was having a garage sale. What do they call it? They call it something else, but it doesn't matter. If you see those church garage sales, go. They usually have the best prices. Anyway, they did have a bin of Barbies, and here they are. Oh, look, I got a bell too. Isn't she cute? And I have a yellow dress coming from eBay. A yellow gown I think is going to really be cute on her. But these were in a bin and they needed a home, and they were 2 for $1. Look at this pretty little doll. Isn't she cute? Doesn't she have big feet though? I mean, maybe not, but she just seems to have big feet. So does this one. So I got like, I don't know, 10-ish. But look at these guys. I got 2 of these. And man, they bend everywhere. They bend out, they bend in, they bend up. They can be on their knees. Their arms bend, their hands bend. How cute is that? And look at that little dress. I've said before, I sew. That is a big deal. Somebody, I don't know, what do you use, tweezers to do that? It is so cute. But I got these guys for 50 cents a piece. Little skipper. She's got some little mess going on, but I haven't done anything to these. I got to get the magic eraser after him. And here's another one of these dolls. Look at the eyes on these dolls. And she also bends in every direction. Just cute. And at that same place, they had, where is it? Here it is. Darren went one way, I went another, and I found, and I am excited about this. Well, that's for me. Look at these 18-inch doll clothes patterns I found. And they had all kinds of them. And you know, you can take these patterns for the same size doll, mix and match them. Like I want to make some things for these Barbies, so these little pants, I'm going to make those, but I'm going to make them longer so that they have long jeans. And what I'm going to use is old blue jeans that I have or that I find at a garage sale, or leggings. But look at that jacket, little raincoat. Oh, look at that little jean jacket. Yeah, I probably won't do that one, but it's cute. Aren't these fantastic? That might be, no, it's 18-inch. I thought maybe for a second it was Chatty Cathy. But they had those, and where is it? Oh, and then you know I have those 28-inch dolls, several Barbies, and then some princesses. Isn't that cute? You can put that on one for a little robe. That was like, I don't know, 50 cents I think it was. And look at this, for the 28-inch Barbies. Isn't that cute? Little baby leggings. And I have another pair. I know those will fit them. Look what Darren found. I just skipped the puzzle area. A Monster High jigsaw puzzle. But what we saw was, what a cool place to, you could keep the puzzle too, but you could also scoot the puzzles over, keep accessories in there. Little metal tin. Guess how much? 50 cents. We went to, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 Walmarts. Not a lot in the Barbie line, except, well, actually there was a big deal, but not the 11.5-inch. We got this one at our local Walmart. I had been looking at it, but it's been retaped, and that really bothered me, and I didn't buy it, but look at this. It's so cute. Where's the little button? Here it is. I'm a sucker. That's just cute. We like camping and outdoors, and it's just cute. So anyway, I broke down and I bought the doll. We went to another Walmart, and they only had one, but it was $2.50 on clearance. Really? When was the last time you saw Barbie for $2.50? They have these little erasers. They're just kind of fun to set them around your Barbie displays. Our Walmart actually had some others last week that I bought in the erasers. And one of the things in it, wait till you see how crazy I am. This is how craft-minded I am. I bought this shoe. I should have brought my doll over to make 18-inch doll shoes out of hot glue, and I used this for my pattern, and then I measured her foot and I put a piece of the plastic it came wrapped in. I found a piece that would make a heel, and then I did that. Well, that's my prototype, and I've seen people make these, and then they cut them and sand them, and they spray paint them. Well, when your doll doesn't have shoes and needs them, fancy girls don't go out barefoot. I do, but fancy girls don't. Anyway, so those little fruit things, I thought they were real cute, and the one I bought also came with a little piece of pizza. How cute is that? And then Darren got the Star Wars pieces. When I say we celebrate all the holidays, we really do. This is for May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. And then in the clearance, they had these for 50 cents. I'm gonna tear these off and use them on outfits for the fall and for Halloween. Boy, I'm really stammering, please forgive me. But the grand prize was, we went into Walmart, and I just did a review on this doll. This is the 28-inch Barbie. She is the Rainbow Sparkle Barbie. I just love her. I love these 28-inch dolls. She has thick hair. If you put a human hair tie, the elastic ones around here, it's only going to go around twice, and you're going to pull tight. Very thick hair. But isn't she beautiful? Visit my review to see more about her. We live in a small town, and we don't have Hobby Lobby, so when we go to the larger towns, we always stop. I bought another stand like this one for my 18-inch Barbies, and now I have 2 of my Barbies in that, and I'm expecting another, so I got that. And I got the bigger one because I wasn't sure on size. I like these. They're real simple. They're very sturdy. I got this German Shepherd for my Barbies and for my Christmas tree. We have German Shepherd dogs. I love them. I got some assorted ribbons. I'm getting ready, as I said, to do my Halloween crafts, so these were on clearance. Couldn't pass it up. When I bought my first 24-inch Bratz doll, I said, we learned that, and actually I grew up with this, a pair and a spare, which makes 3. Look what I found. I went back to the same antique store where I got the first one, and I thought they had two when I was there the first time. I think this was her and she was just on a different shelf. Isn't she beautiful? Look, she has all of her clothing. Well, she didn't have her earrings, but she has a little outfit, and she has her feet, shoes. Her hair is not bad. I don't think I'm going to do anything to that hair, at least not right now. But talk about a pretty face. And with the one I bought on eBay, I have 3. At the same antique store, I found something I never saw before. It is a Hallmark Frankenstein Monster High ornament. Actually, Darren found this for me. I think it's really cute. Then on the way home we went, well actually it's what we went for, and we did other things first. We went to the antique mall where it's huge, and they always have treasures. Pot of gold if you chase rainbows. Anyway, I got some Barbie stuff there. I don't know if you've seen these. My house is decorated in bicycles. Oh, I should have had a Barbie out. These were made to it. There's a piece missing here. I have another one that has the piece to it, which is a rare find. But anyway, this attaches to a little girl's handlebars of her bike. And then I got this Barbie. I'm going to pull her out. Oh, she came with an extra outfit. I didn't even see that. Well, look at that. I really got my money's worth. Oh, and she has shoes. Check it out. Weird shoes, but hey, shoes all the same. Let's pull those off. Okay, they're not coming off. Let's see. Well, wrong Barbie doll. Anyway, their feet go through here, and then their hands go through the handlebar, and they ride up on the little girls or little kids or adult, anybody's bicycle. The handlebar here, and off you go. You're both riding a bike, and the wheels turn. How cute is that? These are not easy to come by. This, as you just saw, came in a lot. What I wanted was that chair. They're so hard to find, and they're so expensive when you do. And then it had these little items with it. It's just cute. And like I said, look at that, extra dress. So that was a little lot. And the Arctic Barbie. Oh, long story, won't even go into. Have one of these, don't know where she is or what kind of condition she's in. So I bought this one when I saw it cheap enough. And I've seen this pretty expensive. This little gal, who was also in our 28-inch Rainbow Sparkle review, we found at that same antique mall, and she's fully articulated. Well, the legs are not. The arms are fully articulated, which I really like. They twist and they turn, and she can hold things and do stuff, and I like it. And I love that hair. Oh, love that hair. They also had, don't want to drop that. They also had, and Darren found these. I am in love with these little McDonald Alexander dolls. There's Madame Alexander dolls. Oh, they are so cute. Their eyes open and close. And they just have the cutest little outfits. Again, I say, I don't know who held the tweezers to make these itty bitty outfits, but they are really well done. Then I rounded the corner, and we had bought Monster High dolls from this particular seller before. And Darren and I had talked about the Monster High. We both really like them, and we want them out for Halloween. So we decided a particular price that we would pay if we saw them for that price. And they had shoes, especially shoes and or accessories, clothes, that sort of thing. This one even has her earrings. No shoes, but she's got her earrings, that we would buy it. And these were cheaper than that, and I bought all of them. So I took them, well, actually, these two items also, the Barbie and the Barbie bike, these were from the same booth, which was a different booth than these. But I took this up and made an offer, they countered. And I took these up and I made an offer and they countered. They took 15% off, which doesn't sound like a lot, but actually it is. And then look at these guys. They are just so funny cute. So we bought not one, not two, not three. We bought all that they had. And they must have just put these out recently because we were there not that long ago and bought her out. And we got 15% off the total price, which was already low enough. Actually, weren't they, what, $3.99? No, $4.99. $3 and $4.99 a piece. And then we got 15% off that. I love this girl. Is that Halloween or what? Isn't she cute? And she's got all her stuff there. Anyway, I made an offer and they came back with 15% off and we were happy, and there you go. I got 15 Monster Highs. I said to Darren, oh my goodness, we already have some. Where are we going to put all these for Halloween? And we both just kind of laughed. Look at this one. She's got the roots or fins, or I guess it's a fishtail. Little mermaid-ish. They're just hilarious. You have these beautiful dolls and they're well built. They eat right and they work out, and then they do something Halloween-y. It's so cute. Thank you for watching our video. If you saw a doll that we added to our collection that you liked, please drop us a like below. We really appreciate those. Subscribe if you haven't, and thanks again for coming.